Install left-hand crankcase on engine stand. Install 2 new dowel pins. Apply bond number TG1215. Remember, do not allow sealant to come into contact with oil gallery. Install right side crankcase with crankshaft. Install 9 bolts of crankcase. Always tighten bolts in criss-cross pattern. Tighten bolts in 2 stages at 7.2 foot-pounds to avoid warpage of crankcases. Install timing chain guide and tighten its bolt with 5 mm Allen key. Install timing chain. Apply Loctite on chain stopper plate bolts. Install timing chain stopper plate. Tighten Allen bolts at 7.2 foot-pound torque.